question. Open your phone right now and count how many pay-in for plans you have active. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, anything. Got a number. Keep it in mind because it matters more than you think. That harmless 4-payment split at checkout just quietly changed. It can now show up on your credit reports and hurt your score the exact same way a missed credit card payment does. Not eventually. Now. For years, BNPL was basically a cheat code. Split the purchase. Never touch your credit score either way. That's closed. In the last year, Equifax and TransUnion started accepting BNPL data. Experian built its own dedicated BNPL reporting system, and FICO rolled out new scoring models built to read it. If you've assumed BNPL was invisible to lenders, that assumption expired without telling you. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is general information, not personalized advice. Here's how mainstream this got. Nearly half of Americans, 47%, have used BNPL ang almost 7 pulgadas 10. Parents with young kids have used one. And here's what surprises people. Some surveys show adults earning over $100,000 a year use BNPL at a higher rate than the national average. This was never just a can't afford it tool. But underneath that growth is a warning sign getting worse every year. 47% of BNPL users say they paid late in the past year alone, up from 41% the year before, and 34% the year before that. Late payments are climbing right as these loans become visible to lenders for the first time. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. Most BNPL apps only show you the next $25 payment due. Pull the complete schedule from every provider. Add it up. And it usually reveals 60 to 90 days of stacked payments you'd forgotten existed. That's real debt hiding in plain sight. And now it can follow you onto your credit report. If you're planning to apply for a mortgage or car loan in the next 6 to 12 months, this matters. 5 active BNPL plans on your report, even paid on time. Can make an underwriter read your file like you're leaning hard on credit, even if you've never missed a payment. So here's what to actually do. 1. Pull your full BNPL schedule from every provider, not just the next payment shown in the app. Add it all up in one place. 2. Prioritize by interest rate, not dollar amount. A small balance at 30% interest is worse than a bigger 0% plan. Attack the interest charging ones first. 3. If a payment's about to slip, ask for a waiver before it happens. The vast majority of people who asked actually got one. 4. Before opening a new plan, ask if you'd take out a store credit card for this same purchase. If not, that's worth noticing because that's functionally what you're doing now. 2 mistakes to avoid. 1. Assuming BNPL is risk-free because it's interest-free that only holds if you pay on time. Every time. 2. Deleting the app thinking that fixes it. It doesn't. Since most retailers save your card and offer BNPL at checkout regardless, you have to remove saved payment methods from each retailer individually. So, that number you counted at the start. BNPL used to be invisible to your credit score. Tatese over. The fix isn't panic. It's treating it like exactly what it is. A real loan. Track every plan in one place. Pay the interest-bearing ones first. Ask for the waiver before the payment fails, not after. If this changed how you look at that 4 payments button next time, that's why this channel exists. Subscribe and comment that number. How many plans do you actually have open? Be honest. I'm Luna, and I'll see you in the next one.